Cabinet approves creation of National Recruitment Agency, NRA. India and China discuss border disputes at a high-level meeting. Corona cases continue to rise in Northeast. Assam records infection positivity rate of 5.23%. Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma distributes appointment letters to staff nurse of Lakhimpur Medical College. And Assam observes Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardeva's 450th death anniversary. Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the Northeast News. This is Jolly Khoikia Gogoi with the news in detail. The Union Cabinet, chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has given its approval for creation of National Recruitment Agency, NRA, paving the way for a transformational reform in the recruitment process for central government jobs. A multi-agency body called the National Recruitment Agency will conduct a common eligibility test to screen or shortlist candidates for the Group B and C, which will be helpful for youth. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said that the decision will benefit 1 crore sugarcane growers who will now get 2,850 rupees per ton. The price has been fixed on the basis of a recovery rate of 10%, while the farmers will get additional money at the rate of 28.50 rupees per quintal if the recovery rate is 1% higher at 11%, he said. Today, an important meeting was held between China and India to discuss the border disputes between the two countries. In the meeting, it was decided to maintain peace in keeping with bilateral understanding and protocol. The toll of corona-positive patients in Arunachal Pradesh rose to 2,950, among whom 2,022 people recovered and 5 people lost their lives. In Manipur, the toll rose to 4,876. In Meghalaya, it rose to 1,506. Mizoram counted a total of 837 corona-positive cases. 3,558 cases were registered in Nagaland, 1,232 in Sikkim, and 7,835 in Tripura. In Assam, the total number of corona-positive cases rose to 84,317, among which 58,294 has recovered. The total number of active cases in the state are 25,807. The death toll rose to 213. 2,116 COVID-positive cases were detected today out of 40,389 tests done in the last 24 hours. 5.23% is the infection positivity rate. There are 311 cases from Kamrup Metro, 109 cases from Kachar, 174 from Dibrugarh, and 125 from Jorhat. The recovery rate of COVID-19 patients continues its upward trend and has reached around 74% today. 21 lakh people in the country have successfully recovered from COVID-19. India registered nearly 59,000 recoveries in the last 24 hours, and so far a total of 20,96,664 people have recovered in the country. The case fatality rate continues to show steady decline and now stands at 1.90%. The Health Ministry said that around 69,000 new cases of COVID-19 have been registered in the country in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of cases to 28,36,926. Presently, the total number of active corona cases in the country is 6,86,395. In a single day, 977 deaths have also been reported, taking the total to 53,866. In the last 24 hours, the country moved closer to testing record 1 million samples in a day. With testing more than 9 lakh samples in a day, the nation achieved another milestone today. The positivity rate continues to decline despite increased testing and stands at around 7.5% of the total samples tested. The novel coronavirus continues to affect people across the world. According to information by Worldometer, a total of 2,25,02,156 people are still corona positive. Among them, 1,53,19,076 have recovered. The worldwide death toll rose to 7,91,040. America is leading in terms of having the highest number of corona positive patients, in which more than 57 lakh people have been infected till now and more than 1,76,000 people have passed away. In Brazil, almost 34 lakh people have suffered from this virus. In Assam, as many as 12 districts are still reeling under flood, although the water levels in the rivers have started receding. According to a report by Assam Disaster Management Authority today, the flood havoc still continue in 11 villages comprising 3 revenue circles. At present, 2 relief camps are actively working with a total of 120 inmates. No loss of lives have been reported in the last 48 hours. Crop area to the tune of 180 hectares have been damaged due to the flood. Vijayanagar in Arunachal Pradesh, one of the remotest and easternmost part of the country, has been connected with mobile connectivity this month. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited has installed a network tower which has become functional now. The 2G mobile service that Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited launched in Vijayanagar area on 1st of August this month will be a boon for the people of this isolated place. Situated in the easternmost corner of Arunachal Pradesh, bordering Myanmar, Vijayanagar is not connected with any motorable road. The nearest place with a road head is Mau, which is located 157 kilometers away from the circle. The state government and the Indian Air Force have extended necessary help and other logistic support to the BSNL for transportation of the mobile and satellite equipments. In a program organized in the auditorium of Guwahati Medical College and Hospital today, Health Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, distributed appointment letters among staff nurse of Lakhimpur Medical College. During the program, he said that the construction work of Lakhimpur Medical College is going on at a good pace and the college shall resume its work from November this year. He even highlighted that the classes at AIIMS in Sanghari will start from 1st of November this year.
কলেজৰ নিৰ্মাণৰ কাম 95% সম্পূৰ্ণ হৈছে নৱেম্বৰৰ 15 পৰা 30 তাৰিখৰ ভিতৰত লখিমপুৰ মেডিকেল কলেজ আৰম্ভ কৰাৰ আমাৰ এক সপোন আছে।
Today is Mahapurush Srimanta Shankaradev's 450th death anniversary. Religious prayers along with Nam Kirtan have been organized at the Batodra Than in Nagaon, which is known to be the birthplace of this great religious saint. Various other religious saints and bhakts are seen visiting this place today. With respect to this occasion, Nam Kirtan was organized in the historic Dhekiakhwa Namghar in Jorhat. Similar celebrations was witnessed in Ramrai Kuti and Jinkata Khotra at Dhubri. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal today visited the Auniati branch Khotra at Lakshminagar of Dibrugarh and took blessings on the occasion of the 450th death anniversary of Srimanta Shankaradeva. He said that we should follow the teachings of the great saint. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal today inspected the construction work of the multifunctional sports complex at Khanikkar in Dibrugarh. He ordered the PWD department to take charge of the construction of the complex and make it ready by February next year for inauguration.
Double lane over there? Double lane? 7.5 meter. Stadium process is a long parking to 5. Party plan 5. Safe to Enuka.
Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan Pandit Yash Raj left for his heavenly abode at the age of 90 in America. His mortal remains have been brought to India today and will be cremated with national honours. Before we end the news, the headlines once again. Union Cabinet approves creation of National Recruitment Agency, NRA. India and China discuss border disputes at a high-level meeting. Corona cases continue to rise in Northeast. Assam records infection positivity rate of 5.23%. Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma distributes appointment letters to staff nurse of Lakhimpur Medical College. And Assam observes Mahapurush Himanta Thampadeev's 450th death anniversary. And that brings us to the end of this evening's bulletin. Thank you for tuning in. Namaskar.